Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, we'll work on 2018 Ford Explorer. This is a limited option. As you know by description, we'll replace the blower fan, the AC climate AC blower fan. It's located right here. This is the passenger side. In the front there's a cover. You'll have screw here, there, and some clips in the back. Take this cover off and there will be another additional bolt that keeps the blower fan not to rotate, because this blower fan, it's fixed as a kind of it's like tied it up. So I'll show you step by step how to get in there, and then you'll have about connector or two, I don't remember for sure, but then you'll have at least two connectors to be removed. So let me show you quick how to remove this blower fan. All right guys, so to remove this cover as first step, what we need is, so to remove that screws, we need 9 and 32 right here, right there. That's where the screw is located. Just gonna go quick and remove the screw. Like I said, we gotta remove all the screws, and right here you can see the cover is coming out already. We got another screw right here. All right, for the last screw in the back there's kind of a hole, and it's going to be, I'll use a extension and a 7mm. That's what you want to use for take that screw out. It's all the way right here, right there, that hole. Alright guys, here we go. So that's how our screw looks like, and here we have a connector. That's a light. We just press here the clip and the connector will come out just like this. Let me show you. 1, 2, and 3. Once our secondary cover is removed, it's time to replace the blower fan. It's right here, as you see. To remove this is actually less screws than even that cover. We'll have a connector here, same on the side. If you look from the other side, you will have a clip. You can hear it. Same thing we do. We press and it comes out. That's where the clip is. Just like this. To remove this, we'll need to unscrew this 8mm screw. It's right there. Alright guys, so final part is to remove this plastic. It's kind of safety, you'll see why. This is what keeps the bolt attached and not letting the blower fan to rotate. So now we just you're gonna turn it clockwise, and your blower fan will come out. The reason I'm replacing this blower fan is that the customer was complaining on very loud squeaky noise, and as you see here, you can see already the rust. So this blower fan got rusty. There's nothing wrong with it, it works. Well, once it turned on as a very loud squeaking rusty noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Here in the box I got a new one. It's a little bit different, but it's the same. You know what I'm saying? It's different, but it's the same. So yeah, how to put this back, you go based on this part. That's where you have to align with the right there where the bolt goes, I mean the screw goes. So you want to insert it in at a point where you align with that, and then you're gonna like, I'll show it to you in a second, like that. You see, it goes all the way in, and then you twist this way, and that's it, guys. This is it. This is kind of installed. What do you want to get? You get this piece back, because this is what actually, like I said, not letting your blower fan to rotate, and it stays in the same position. You want to put it right here. That has to go in. So make sure you are aligning it, because if you are turning it when you screw it in, if you're turning this too much this way, you will not align. So you kind of you are rotating it, and at the same time you are aligning with this plastic, because if you are too much left or right, it will not work. So now once this is, because here is the air at the tube, once that's aligned, then you have the plastic and the thing together. Go ahead and place the connector. You have plenty of space to put the screw back. Now I'm gonna screw in this screw. So all right, we got this. We got the connector in. We got a screw in, the plastic, everything is tight. Nothing is loose. We got only one thing left, is this secondary plastic cover. Remember, we got the connector. Boom. And then we print, and you see this plastic also has guiders. So when you place this back, you'll definitely make sure you put it in the right place, just like this. And go ahead and put the screws back, tie them up. Don't exaggerate. This is plastic, you know, it's just a cover. There's nothing important. And once you're done with this, go ahead and check your AC for see if everything is right. All right, fellas, as you see, it's on a high speed. Everything works. Sounds good. No more weird noise of a squeaky sound. So far so good. Blower fan replaced. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, and see you next time. That was Mechanic Mode.